Hey, it's Christina. We are doing another update on our listing. Hearth is being painted. The wet bar has already been painted. We're going to add a small mini fridge and some open shelving. Okay, we've got the dining room. We have lights in, hardwood floors that are actually going to be all sanded to match the existing hardwood and then restained. So that is happening. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen has new pendant lighting. The island and the bottom row of cabinets have been painted different than the top. All new appliances are in, and this door over here is going to be replaced by a sliding glass door because the French door is inoperable due to water damage. And that's it for now. Nothing more to share with bathrooms, but the next time we see you, it'll be a total transformation.